Today I'm going to be sharing with you the current deck of Scarlet palette. I've talked about this subscription service before on my channel quite a few times actually. I'm super excited every time they send me one because I love it. I think it is such a fun idea. So this is a subscription service for $29.99. Every other month they send you a new box. There's always a palette in it, and the palette always contains 3 eyeshadows, 2 face products, and 2 lip products. Every Deck of Scarlet palette is in collaboration with a different beauty influencer. This one is in collaboration with Belle Jordan. They also gave me a coupon code. It is the word lilac for 30% off your first palette. And then they always also include an extra. It has been an eyeliner, a lip liner, a lip pencil. This month is very exciting because it is a mascara. This is the first ever Deck of Scarlet mascara. Super exciting. I love mascara, and yeah, I think it's super fun. So I have already used this palette once. I did a tutorial on Instagram with it, and today I'm going to be using it one more time and giving you kind of my final thoughts on the palette with some ideas of how you could use it. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the powder products on this side with a nice big mirror, and the lip products are on this side. They always have them separate so you don't get powder in your lip products. I think that's super nice. And here you can see all of the colors together, so it has a really nice color story. I'm really digging this, digging purple. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my CoverGirl Lid Lockup. I do have my face makeup done already. I did a review of some products. I will link that. It didn't go so well, so if my face looks a little strange, I wasn't digging the products, especially the colors. The colors just were not something I would have normally chosen for myself. So, and I'm just gonna set my eyes like I always do with the Canvas shade from my Lorac Pro 3. This is like the never-ending eyeshadow, by the way. I have been trying to hit pan on this for months, and I keep thinking I'm like almost there, and it will never, it won't happen. It is extremely hot out today, so if it looks like I'm over powdering, I am, because it's extremely hot out today. Alright, so I'm going to start with the beautiful purple shade Crush. I'm finding this shade a little bit dry, like to work with, like a little patchy, which is frustrating, but I think I'm able to kind of blend it out. I'm going to take this cool toned gray shade called Drama, very appropriately named. Oh, that's pretty. This one already feels a lot more creamy. I mean, I'm not touching it, but like just with my brush, it seems like it's a lot more creamy than the Crush shade. So this Drama shade is definitely performing better than the purple shade did. I'm just going to put some more of Crush kind of in the crease here, deepen up that purple. Okay, now I'm going to take the pretty shimmery Supernova and start with it on the inner corner. Wow, look at that. That is stunning. Okay, I need a little bit more up here. Okay, so I'm digging that. I'm going to take a little bit more of Crush and put it over the gray because I want to try that to bring out that purple a little bit more. Okay, now take some more of Supernova. Okay, so I am digging where this look is going. There is quite a bit of fallout, especially on this side from the Crush shade, so I'm going to go ahead and sort that out, clean up the edges a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm going to try something a little bit different, and I'm actually going to take this blush shade Whisper and put that on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to add some of Crush also. This would be really pretty, like crease shade, or just incorporated into the eyeshadow. Just always remember you can use the face products as eyeshadows too, which is really fun. Just makes it more versatile. And then I'm taking a little bit of Crush, putting that really close to the lashes. I'm going to take Whisper, the blush shade, and apply that as blush. And the shade Shh as my highlight. Just a tad. gonna mix it in with that purple there. I'm actually gonna mix the two on the brush. Okay, oh, that's really pretty mixed. Wow, yeah, I bet you could get some really pretty combinations if you mix those even more, like all over the lid. Ooh. See, that's something I love about the deck of Scarlet palettes is that at first glance it might be like, oh, well, there's like two things I can do, but then when you think about mixing in the blush and the highlighter, you know, mixing different colors together, it really kind of brings out your creativity, which I am all about that. So that's why I like it. Okay. Alright, let's go in with the mascara and then we'll do the lips. So this is the Sexy AF Mascara from Deck of Scarlet in the shade Blackout. Really nice wand. I like this wand. It's not huge. I don't like huge wands. This is the perfect size in my opinion. Okay, I like this mascara a lot. Oh my goodness, I think my lashes look really, really nice. It's a little bit volumizing. It's extremely lengthening. It's separated the lashes. I think it looks really, really good. I mean, yeah, I think it looks really good. Good job, Deck of Scarlet. Like the mascara. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch both of these lip products so you can see them both on their own on my lips. The first one is this sort of pink, slightly purplish, mostly pink shade called Tempting. Alright, so this is the shade Tempting. This looks beautiful. This looks better than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be too light all on its own. I really like this. I do feel like it is not completely opaque. Like it's a little bit sheer. I can see my lips through it just a little bit, but maybe that's why I don't hate it, because it makes it a little bit more wearable. It feels really nice. It feels a little bit, I don't want to say drying. I can feel it on my lips a little bit. It's not the most comfortable, but it's not bad, and considering it's in a pan, it's pretty matte. Like it's not super glossy. It's coming off a little bit on my finger, but not a ton. I don't feel like it's gonna go everywhere. You know, it's not as creamy as some of the lip products in the Deck of Scarlet palettes in the past. They've been really, really like goopy. This isn't goopy at all, which is nice. It's a good thing. Okay, now let's try Passion. Okay, so there is Passion on my lips. Again, it's not the most opaque. Really pretty though. Both of the lip shades go with the eyeshadows really well. I think they will complement the look super well. I did do a video on Instagram where I used both the lip colors and I create a gradient. I think that would be a really pretty thing to do also. I probably would wear a lip liner with either of these lip products just because that's how I prefer to do my lips, but I don't think you have to. I think it's kind of a more natural, maybe more wearable look without a lip liner. Overall, I'm really impressed with this palette. I really like this. I think they did a really good job with this. I think this shade Whisper is going to be really fun used as an eyeshadow for me personally. I can see myself incorporating it into the eye look a lot. I'm kind of surprised that I didn't the first time. I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't put it up here too this time because I feel like that would have looked even better. But it's a really pretty blush too. This highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. Supernova is stunning. I cannot believe how beautiful and vibrant that is. I did not spray it with a setting spray at all, and it is like boom, like fluorescent on my eyes. It is so pretty. Crush is a little bit dry, but I still feel like I could make it work. And then Drama is really pretty cool tone gray, such kind of a unique shade, honestly. It's almost got a little bit of purple to it, but it's mostly gray. It's just really fun to have in the palette. So I really enjoyed the colors in this palette, and the lip colors again are really pretty. They go with the palette, they go with all the other shades really well, and I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this, having a lot of fun with it. Purple is really in right now, and I absolutely love this mascara. This mascara is fantastic. I'm going to be using this one all the time now until I use it up because it's great. So huge thank you to Deck of Scarlet for sending this over for me to try out. I love their palettes. I don't think I've ever disliked any of their palettes. They're really good. If you're looking for a fun subscription service to get yourself makeup that you will use, it's travel friendly, it's versatile, you get more than just one type of product in there. It's a good deal in my opinion. I think it's definitely worth it. So I will link that below. I will link all of the information and details on the Deck of Scarlet subscription service below so you can check that out. And that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll talk to you again really soon. Bye.